Waking up in the morning, jumping out of bed, getting a peach for breakfast. I wish it was raining money. Oh my god, it's raining money! It's raining money! Oh my god, it's raining money! It's raining money!
Isabella.
What?
Can you stop saying it's raining money?
But I was dreaming and it was raining money and then you just step in and ruined it.
Well, I was trying to sleep. Well, never mind. Maybe you woke up with the baby. Well, somebody screaming was raining money. 'Cause I think I did really hear. It's raining money! I really want to sleep like this, baby. But I think somebody was saying it's raining money. Or somebody snoring. Who's saying it was raining money? Or either snoring? Guys, you're not the only one saying that. He's snoring all the time. Stop it.
It's really rude.
Guys, I think I have a plan. What is the plan? What is this? I think I know.
Wait,
Live with somebody else.
I wish he would just stop.
And moving every time he snores. I just want to go to sleep. It's so rude. Everybody sleep on the floor. It's just so much. While he's sleeping, we could just get him outside. I'm so evil.
You're not the only evil.
Not you. Or you guys too. I think I better go to the hospital.
Me too.
I think this is really hard work. Yeah. Me too. I think it's just too much. I just put it on the floor. Just leave my head alone. Oh my god. It's not funny. Oh, it's so rude. Stop snoring. I had to escape the snoring boy. Finally. Hey, maybe I'm the next snoring. Okay.
You're making.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching and I hope you like this video. Bye. Love you. I really love this little toy. I just want it. No. Bye. Don't mind this mess up. Better go home until mom knows this problem. Or just better take the doll. Let me just take it. Just took it and it's really great. Let me just go after my mommy. Bye guys. Hope you have a great time. I love it. Oh, my toy.